You plug in your USB drive and see nothing. No files, no folders, just an empty window. Don't worry, you can fix it. In this video, we won't waste time listing every possible reason behind it. Instead, we'll jump straight into the real steps that can help you recover files and fix a USB, whether you're on Windows or Mac. If your USB isn't showing files or doesn't appear at all, don't rush to fix it, that's risky. The drive might be unstable, and you could lose what's left. Before anything else, make a full backup. The easiest way is with Disk Drill. It lets you make a full backup and recover data in the same place, no need for separate tools. Plus, it works on both Windows and Mac. Download and install Disk Drill from the official website. We'll leave the link in the description below, then plug in your USB drive and open the app. In the sidebar, choose Byte-to-Byte Backup. Select your USB drive and click Create Backup on Mac, or Byte-to-Byte Backup on Windows. Choose where to save the file, make sure there's enough free space, at least the same size as your USB. Once Disk Drill finishes creating the backup, you're safe to move on to the next steps and start fixing the drive. Firstly, try connecting your USB drive to another computer. This helps you see whether the problem is with the drive itself or your PC. Sometimes your USB isn't empty at all, the files are just hidden. A virus might have changed the folder settings, or your system could be keeping some files out of view by default. Luckily, you can reveal them easily on both Windows and Mac. On Windows, open File Explorer. At the top, click View, then Show, and check the box that says Hidden Items. If your files were hidden, you'll see them now. On Mac, open Finder, go to your USB drive, and press Command plus Shift plus. Hidden files will instantly appear, and you can toggle them on or off using the same shortcut. If your USB still looks empty, it might not be hidden files, it could be a corrupted file system. In that case, your computer might see the USB, but it'll look blank, unreadable, or ask to format it. The good news? Both Windows and Mac have built-in tools that can fix this. On Windows, you'll use a tool called chkdsk. Search for CMD in the Windows search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type this command, chkdsk/r, just replace X with your USB drive letter. Press Enter and let it scan. Don't close the window or restart your PC until it finishes. On Mac, open Disk Utility, select your USB drive, click First Aid, and hit Run when prompted. Mac OS will check and repair the drive automatically. If you're lucky, your files will come right back after this. If not, don't worry, these tools often fix the system but not the data itself. Next, we'll see how to recover your files if they're still missing. The best tool for this job is Disk Drill. It's simple, reliable, and works great on both Windows and Mac. And if you made that Byte-to-Byte backup earlier, you're already safe, you'll be working with a copy, not the original USB. So, open Disk Drill and make sure you're on the storage device's screen. If you created a disk image, click Attach Disk Image, find it, and double-click to open it. If not, just select your USB drive from the list and click Search for lost data. You'll see two options, Universal Scan and Advanced Camera Recovery. Choose Universal Scan, since it's made for USB drives. When the scan is done, click Review Found Items. You can filter results by file type, pictures, videos, documents, and so on. Then check the sections called Existing, Deleted or Lost, and reconstruct it to see what can be recovered. Select the files you need, click Recover. Choose where to save them. Let Disk Drill do the rest, and your files will be back. And that's it, once recovery is done, your data is safe again. Next, we'll cover formatting your USB, in case you still need to fix drive errors completely. But keep in mind, formatting erases everything. So if you haven't backed up or recovered your files yet, stop and do that first. On Windows, insert your USB drive and open File Explorer. Right-click the USB drive and choose Format. Pick a file system. Leave Quick Format checked for a fast reset, or uncheck it for a deeper clean. Then click Start and confirm. On Mac, insert the USB drive and open Disk Utility. Select the drive in the sidebar, then click Erase at the top. Choose your format, give it a name and click Erase to finish. Once formatting is done, your USB should be good to go again. But if files still don't show up or the drive isn't recognized anymore, it's time to let it go, that USB has reached the end of its life. That's everything you can try when your USB drive isn't showing files. If one of these methods work for you, Tell us in the comments, your story might help someone else dealing with the same issue. Thanks for watching, and good luck. If you still have any questions, drop them in the comments, we'll do our best to help you out.